Hello everyone, this is Stefan. Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I have very interesting speed test. We have the iPhone 13 Pro and we have the Z Flip 3. This is gonna be interesting comparison speed test. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's start with this cool video. Very curious to see what's gonna happen. I have something that probably many people think that this is not fair, but the Z Flip 3 actually is not running the Android 12, it's running the Android 11 on One UI 3.1.1, and the reason for that is I just want to make sure that this comparison is going to be interesting in a way that we'll see if the Android 11 is fast enough to beat the latest version of the iOS 15.3.1. and that's why I will not upgrade at the moment. So I will do another video speed test comparison after this one with the Android 12. So that's why I think it's fair just to see what's the difference between the Android 11 and 12, if there's any difference in the speed. So 8 GB of RAM, Snapdragon 888, 256 memory. We have 128 GB memory with A15 and the latest version, which is the iOS 15.3.1. This is going to be interesting comparison, so let's not waste time and let's start with some applications on a daily basis. Both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Let me see if there's any open apps on both devices. No. So let's start now with some normal applications. Let's start with the internet browsers on both devices. Safari and internet browser on a Z Flip 3. Let's do that in 1, 2, 3. I think this was the iPhone 13 Pro, but you are the judge. Okay, let's open the cameras on both devices. Why not? Let's open the cameras on both devices in 3, 2, 1. I think this was the Z Flip 3, but again, you are the judge. You are the judge. This is nice. So very excited actually to see the Z Flip 3 is doing pretty good so far. We just opened a few applications and not bad. So let's open the Play Store and the Apple Store on both devices, which this is nice to see. Play Store and Apple Store in 3, 2, 1. This was the Z Flip 3. Okay, this is nice. And the experience on both devices are very nice. 120 Hz refresh rate on both devices. This is nice. So far, Z Flip 3 is doing amazing job. So let's open some Google apps. Why not? Let's open some Google apps. This is nice to see. Let's try with the maps in 3, 2, 1. This was the iPhone 13 Pro, I believe, with a second faster. Let's open the YouTube app on both devices. Why not? YouTube app in 3, 2, 1. Alright, this was the Z Flip 3. This is interesting actually. Not bad. So far Z Flip 3 is doing very good job in my opinion. So this is nice. I'm curious to see if there's any difference when I update to Android 12. So that's why I didn't update it, just to see if the Android 11 is fast enough to beat the iPhone. So this is always nice to see. And let's open some games. Let's start with the games. This is always nice to see because the games are quite heavy on both devices. So I have some games here. I have the Switch Color and I have the Asphalt 9 on both devices, which is always nice to see. Let's try first with the color switch on both devices in 3, 2, 1. This was, I believe, the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Let's try again because I think the pop-up just showed on the Galaxy Z Flip 3. So let's try again, and let's see if this is fair. Let's try again. Let's try again. Let's try again. So color switch in 1, 2, 3. Okay, so yeah, I think this was the Galaxy Z Flip 3, but again, you are the judge. Let me know, what do you think? Let's play. Let's see what's gonna happen now in 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this was, I think, the iPhone 13 Pro, but again, you are the judge. And now let's open the one of the heaviest game here, which is the Asphalt 9, in 3, 2, 1. I'm very curious to see who is gonna win now. Okay, we have the Z Flip 3. This is very, very interesting to see. I thought that the iPhone will win, but again, surprise, surprise, Samsung is doing pretty good job here. Not bad. Very curious to see what's gonna happen if I upgrade to Android 12. Imagine that. So I'm very surprised actually that the Z Flip 3 is doing pretty good job. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think, guys? This just was a quick comparison video between these two I believe most popular iPhones and Samsungs in 2022. So if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments down below. If you want to see more comparison, please let me know. I'm super happy to chat with you guys if you have any questions. If you enjoyed today's video, please give a like, and also subscribe if you want to see more cool videos like this one. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.